What up, Pack? It's your boy Roth. Today we're going to do a tutorial video on how to use that Derma Roller I've been craving about. Stay tuned. Check this out. So we got the Derma Roller kit that I bought. I will link that below. That way you guys can get the same kit that I got. I had an interesting question the other day. It is a 1mm little fine needle that are on there. If you have any scars on your face like I do, I would say go a little higher, 1.5. That will work best for you. So there are different sizes of needles. So first off, we have the Derma Roller. Light handle. It's usually plastic. Has a roller. In the little roller itself, does have fine little needles in here that will be doing the work on getting into your skin and making those little cuts in there for hair follicles to start growing again. So we'll take our little handy dandy sanitizer that we had that came with the kit to spray the roller. So you just take the top off, just like this. Roll it. Boom. So what's that doing is sanitizing anything from your last use, and especially from being packaged. So if it's packaged and it's traveling and people are putting it in there and touching the needles, you don't want that on your face. So you want to definitely sanitize it before you use it. Cap that off. It says to let it dry for about 20 seconds. So we're going to let that dry right now. All right, so we let it dry for about 20 seconds. It's dry now. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this on the patchiness spots that I have. So if you could tell here on the side is right here, which you can see, I mean, I started using this. So you see hair that's growing already from the use. And on this side. Hold it. And you basically want to go up and down, side to side. I would go about, I don't know, 10, 15 rolls each direction. So I would go, up and down 10 times, 10, 15 times. So once you're done, what I like to do is sanitize this again to put it away. So I just take my sanitizer, boom, and put it back in its container, into the little holder that it came with. After you've done that, you want to use the activation serum that they provide here. So that's that, activation serum. You want to do 1-2 pumps in your hand. So do about 3. Put it in your hands. Itself will help you start growing that hair. And if you can see, it started growing already here. I will link the product down below. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, recommendations, put them in the comments below. Like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this.